male spotted bowerbird. So he's built a bower, a sort of theatre, a stage on which he will dance with the female, if she's willing. He decorates the entrance with piles of empty snail shells and bones. The rains are due any day, so it's his last chance for improvements. A rival male drops by to size up the competition and cause trouble. Wreck your neighbour's bower and your own might look better. And perhaps one of the best bits would look good in his bower. The owner is back. And something isn't right. Repairs are needed. Time to rehearse his courtship display. But sadly, he may only ever dance alone. Without them, the females won't mate. They need the rains to provide food for their family.